Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT on your Microsoft Word. Okay, first of all guys, you can add ChatGPT to your Microsoft Word. To add the ChatGPT, you can go to the add-ins menu. Okay, and here you can search for ChatGPT for Microsoft Word. Okay, here I have installed this ChatGPT, but actually there are the other ChatGPT's add-ins. Okay, after you have added the ChatGPT, you can click on the add-in, and here you will be able to improve your writing, make the text simpler, or fix spelling and grammar. And for example, I'm just going to improve writing. I'm going to select this text and I'm going to click on improve writing. Okay, and after that we're going to click on go. Okay, and just hold on, it's still loading. All right, and this is for the result, and I'm going to undo to show you before I use ChatGPT for this text. Okay, this is before I apply ChatGPT, and this is after I apply the improved writing in ChatGPT. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use ChatGPT on Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.